Heat Press Nation is very proud to announce the brand new Portrait 4. Now this little powerhouse is amazing. It's not just a Cameo Junior. No, this thing is unique and it has its own features that make it a special machine in its own right. Now there are a few things in common with the Cameo. First of all is going to be the pinch rollers. Adjusting the pinch rollers is an absolute breeze, and these will actually go down to fit materials 5 inches wide, matless, which is huge. Now speaking of mats, the cutting mat for the Portrait 4 has been redesigned to accommodate 8.5 inch wide materials, which means you can do your letter-sized print and cut jobs. A few other things here, it is Bluetooth compatible, and yes, they listened, they brought back the repeat job function. So if you're doing multiples of the exact same job, once one is finished, load your new material, hit that repeat job button, and boom, you're in business. For more information or to get your very own Portrait 4, head on over to heatpressnation.com today.